So unicorn for today was UCER, where we hunted an hour live streaming and we said the ultimate profit taking is around the $8.80 around this level where we got rejected. So today we hunted this stock around this accumulation phase. It was a bit boring, then the price actually pumped on our live streaming.
Short seller running naked now. UCER is about to squeeze. Watch out, guys. Yes, UCER is squeezing.
So we squeezed, then we suggest to take profit. The ultimate one around the $8.77.
Taking the ultimate one for today is the $8.77.
So yeah, we have the $8.77. The price got rejected right now. We're gonna discuss where the price will go because this one mean business. We almost hit the 200%. We have the other stock that we traded today is WLDS. And we got the other one that we might hunt, which is CVNA, which already hunted actually in our brokerage account, and we already have this trade open. Let me just show you guys. We have CVNA already entered around the 14.58, and now we're already 4% on this trade. And we said the price will go higher on our live streaming. That's why we're still holding it. And we entered around this breakout zone, the $14. So before we dive into our video, we have a great announcement to our hunters. Momo offer 15 free stocks. Tesla and Google is one of them. And how you win those free stocks is pretty simple. You just deposit $100 in order to win 5 free stocks. And the more that you deposit, the more that you win those stocks. However, this limited time offer ends in this month. So make sure to take your opportunity and take those free stocks with my special link in comment section below today. And let's get right to it and see what's gonna happen for those stocks that pumped on our live streaming for today. First off, we got UCAR. So this stock jumped really good because we entered around this level and we took almost 20% profit on this one. So we entered before this breakout zone and we said the $4.50 should be the support. So if we entered, this should be our stop loss, and the price actually reversed, and we said this is the squeeze, and the price actually went higher. So our hunters actually already took profit around the 20. Some of them took 30% and let the other one go. We said you can actually do swing trade, what's mean not swing trade, but trading stop, which is from this stop loss, you just make it higher and make the profit taking going higher without closing the trade. And the other strategy is just take everything on the profit taking. So now this stock is crazy. So we have to be extremely careful. First, we have this resistance. We might have another kick from it. So if we kick, we have breakout from the $8.90. We might have the $10.70 and beyond. So watch out for this resistance and watch out for this support. Yeah, this support should be our warning sign for a huge sell-off. So over the $5.58 should be the bottom support, and the $8.89 should be the breakout zone toward the $10.70. The other stock that we should watch is WLDS. So this one, still have a doubt for this one. You know why? Because we have our breakout, the price didn't continue higher toward $2.50. So I don't suggest to trade this one. We might break the $1.80 this time. So if we broke the $1.81, there is no power hour and we might have a sell-off below the $1.50. If we held, we might have a retake for this resistance and go toward the $2.50. The other stock we might hunt is CVNA, or already hunted actually, and our live streaming around the $14. Right now getting near our profit taking the $16. After we break the 16, we might have the 1967. There's another stock we have to watch, which is SoFi, because there is something really interesting for SoFi. If we go for the fundamental, I'm gonna show you something really interesting. We see that the last quarter, the first quarter and last year, we have the profit margin is really high, like minus 31. And here profit margin is 24, minus 15. You see what's happened here is decreasing. So we almost getting in a green side for SoFi. That's why looking really better. Even in revenue, the revenue is increasing and profit margin is getting almost in positive, and net income is almost getting in green. So this is good that SoFi is fundamentally looking really better than before, and that's why we're breaking from the 7 and going toward the $7.45. So watch out for SoFi, a continuation for this price action for the coming days. And of course, we're going to discuss all the stocks, AI, because those stocks might pump for tomorrow, because we have a huge reversal and pulling back for them, almost 30% for AI. Imagine. So we might have a reversal for them for tomorrow before the market close. And as everybody knows, after a huge pullback, we might have a reversal and a good entry for price, value, or discounted price for those stocks. So stay tuned for tomorrow. And of course, we're going to update you guys for many stocks on our Discord and our Patreon, of course, if you're already hunter with us. So stay tuned for those updates in pre-market tomorrow and our live streaming as well tomorrow, especially in our Patreon and Power Hour. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.